I'm about to make my favorite egg recipe that goes down well on easy days, busy days, starving days, just want something to munch on days. It's low calorie, it's nutrient dense, it's super easy to make with a few ingredients that you have in your fridge or pantry. Instead of throwing away your leftover vegetables, bring them all together to make a delicious egg medley that will have you returning for more. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for tuning in. Do let me know in the comments if you get round to giving it a try and if you were able to pick up 1 or 2 things that you'll incorporate within your next mealtime. So that's my plate and this is my stomach calling me for lunch. As you can see, I added beets to the plate, not because I love them particularly, but because they're high in iron, and as my levels have been a little bit low recently, it's to give me that little boost in energy and have me feeling good. So any foods that are high in iron, I try and eat as much as I can. So till the next video, you guys take care.